Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today the birds are chirping. I'm hoping that means it's almost spring and we are making an Italian sausage and spinach gnocchi. Gnocchi, gnocchi. Am I saying it right? I listened to an Italian lady say it like 100 times before I wanted to say it because I think I used to just call it gnocchi, maybe. Anyways, this is a 15-minute meal. It's so delicious. It's creamy, it's wonderful, and the best thing is it takes no time at all. So let's get started. We are gonna first get started with our prep work. So we're just gonna cut up about a half of an onion. We only need a half cup. Mince up one garlic clove. And it's funny, with gnocchi, I actually thought that the first time I ever had it, I thought it was pasta since it's in the pasta aisle, but it's actually made from mashed potatoes. I'm sure a lot of you already know that, but it's a fun fact. And it's not really that much healthier for you. It's not that much healthier for you than pasta. However, we all gotta live, man. You gotta live a little. Everything in moderation, right? That's what I always say. I like to eat a little bit of everything, but just try and control my portions. That's how I stay healthy. And eat your veggies. All right, that was looking good. I've also got some roasted red peppers. I just have them from the jar. This is a quick recipe, so we wanna save time as much as possible. We're just gonna give these a nice little chop. I like to have them in slices, and these are totally optional. I really just like them because of the color that it adds. I think they're beautiful. Plus it adds a little smoky flavor. We are gonna put our heat on medium and add about a tablespoon of olive oil to our pot. I've got a Dutch oven here. I love my Dutch oven. I use it for all kinds of things, but you can definitely use just a large skillet. Just make sure that whatever you choose, that it will hold our entire meal. We're gonna put everything in this one pot. We're gonna go ahead and add in 16 ounces of Italian sausage. We're also gonna add half a cup of onions. I like to use my wooden spoon to just break it apart. And we're gonna cook this all the way until it's brown. It's gonna be about 8 minutes. Our sausage is looking perfectly cooked. We're gonna go ahead and add in our garlic, our gnocchi, I cannot say it right, chicken stock, and a half cup of heavy cream. Give this a nice toss. The good thing about gnocchi is you don't have to cook it for long. It's not like pasta. It's like half the time. So we're just gonna toss this in. We just have a little bit of liquid right now. And we're gonna go ahead and cover this for just a couple minutes. Our heat is still on medium. Okay, it's been a few minutes. We're gonna add in our roasted red peppers and a couple ounces of spinach, which will turn into nothing because it always does. It's always like, am I adding too much? Or the kid's gonna be mad at me? And then it turns into just like a couple little specks. We're gonna cover this back up for just a few minutes. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be good. All right, so give it a nice stir. And I can already tell those gnocchi are all done. Like so luscious. This is gonna be so good. I can't wait to eat it. All right, we are gonna go ahead and turn our heat all the way off. We're gonna give it a little bit of fresh ground pepper, and I don't add salt into this recipe because everything in it is salty. We've got sausage, we have the chicken stock, we have Parmesan cheese. It's like a ton of salt. However, if you're big on the salt like my husband, go ahead, salt it. This is is just looking perfect. The colors in this are so pretty. And finally, my personal favorite part, Parmesan cheese. And this is the Reggiano, you guys. Do not go cheap on me. Don't use the powdered stuff and tell me that it tastes like crap. This is so good. It really needs the special cheese in here. So we're just gonna stir this up and it's gonna melt. Nothing makes me happier than creamy pasta, or I know it's not pasta, but it feels like pasta. Potatoes are delicious too. This is so good. Look at that. That's it, we're done. How easy is that meal? Wait until your family tries it too. They're gonna absolutely love it. That's it, comfort food in minutes. This is gonna be the new family favorite, I promise. It's so good, and it honestly doesn't even feel like I cooked. It was so simple, so easy to make. I'm going in for a taste. It's super hot. This is wonderful. I really hope you guys try it. Let me know in the comments if you make it, and I will see you next time. Be sure to subscribe so that we can keep cooking together. Bye.